Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of foreign exchange markets.
Euro dollar. A second bullish white soldier yesterday, but it was also an indecisive spinning top. The 50% Fibonacci line for 2023 at 108.64 still capped the market on a closing basis, but prices were still over the bright red highlighted broken upper time, currently at 107.97, of the late December 2023 to mid-March 2024 bearish shift pitchfork, as well as the medium moving average, currently 108.09. Further below, we have the combined short, medium and long moving averages, currently 107.82 and 107.86, respectively. Overall, we are still sitting on top of the recent break up and out of the bright red bearish shift pitchfork, though it has not really been exploited. I'm continuing to wonder if the market will repair itself. Further overhead, we have the 50% Fibonacci line, the January 2021 to September 22 move at 109.44, and a dark blue upper trend line currently 109.97 of the mid-April today ascending expanding wedge pattern. Now this is quite a steep pattern, and I would thus suggest paying further attention to the 50% Fibonacci line and to the shallow descending neckline extension to the July 2017 to November 2018 head and shoulders pattern, and that's currently at 110.13. So far today, well, a further attempt higher over the 50% Fibonacci line at 108.64, but not really motoring away as yet. Cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A higher bullish opening white Mariposa yesterday, and a suitable follow-on higher to the previous session's immediate countering key reversal up and bullish engulfing pattern. Prices reached up and breached the overhead bright red highlighted July 2021 to date downtrend, currently at 127.69, before pulling back to close just under it. The market has now seemingly stabilized over the combined 50% Fibonacci line of the June 2016 to September 22 move and the September 2020 low. Both of these are actually at 126.99 plus the September, both over 126.99. Now we now have further up the November 2020 low at 128.52 and the March high at 128.93. Meanwhile, further down is the mauve highlighted and flatlining medium moving average, currently 126.32. The short medium moving average, currently 125.92, a little under that. Overall, the market has broken up and out of the early March to mid-May bear channel. This break high has left us primary target X for this pattern up in the 128 even area, which is not that far away, and a secondary hard to reach target X1 up in the 128.95 area. So far today, very little but still significant, as the market is seemingly trying to either stabilize over the bright red downtrend or maybe close below it again. Euro sterling. An unusual bearish engulfing pattern, but still a genuine move lower yesterday after the previous sessions combined possible shooting star pattern type 1 bearish and bearish harami. Now prices continue to close below both the lower purple highlighted trend line, currently at 85.47, of the late January to day expanding wedge pattern, as well as the combined support of the December 2022 low at 85.45 and the December 2023 low at 85.47. Additionally, it was the lowest low and close since August 2023. Now on top of that, it was the first clear close below the bright red neckline, currently at 85.10, of the May to August 2022 head and shoulders continuation pattern. This is a significant move, and the question now is whether this move lower will continue to be exploited. The next support below are the lows of mid-March and mid-February between 84.96 to 85.02, and after this the April 2021 low at 84.70. Yesterday's action penetrated some of these but did not close below any of them. Today's action is reactionary move back up over the bright red breached but not broken uptrend, though still within yesterday's action so far, just, and looking like an immediate countering bullish harami right now. US dollar against the Japanese yen. A bearish engulfing pattern yesterday, but also a hanging man pattern. It was another consecutive close over the bright red middle time, currently at 156.84 of the July to December 2023 bullish Andrews pitchfork, but only just. Overall, we are still in between the purple highlighted middle time above, currently at 161.08, and the lower time below, currently 147 even, of the large February 2022 to January 2023 bullish shift pitchfork. We're also in between the middle time above, currently at 158.48, and the lower time below, currently 154.18, of the more recent mid-March to early May bullish Andrews pitchfork, highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart. A little way below is the June 1990 high at 155.78. So far today, well, not much. A dip below the bright red middle time, but still either side of it right now. I'm not sure if the market is basing itself on this middle time or not. US dollar against the CNH, the offshore Chinese yuan. A reactionary bearish double yesterday after the previous three sessions were bullish white soldiers. However, the market is now clear over the mess of moving averages, consisting of the short moving average, currently at 723.61, the slowly rising short medium moving average, currently 724.21, and the important long moving average, currently 723.41, plus the dark blue highlighted upper trend line extension to the January to April ascending triangle, currently at 723.98. Looking above, and we are now well into a congestion area dating from mid-March to late April between roughly 724 to 727. So far today, an early dip, but since then a recovery and a move higher to the highest since late April. We are still within the 724 to 727 congestion area. US dollar against the Mexican peso. A lower but indecisive spinning top yesterday. Prices closed back below the dark blue highlighted middle time, currently at 1666.09, of the breached but seemingly repaired December 2023 to January 2024 mildly bearish shift pitchfork, though they pulled back from testing the 2023 low at 1661.94. Below this is the neckline extension, currently at 1656.53 of the February 2021 to April 2021 head and shoulders top, and above we have the combination of the short medium moving average, currently 1675.40, and the May base downtrend, currently at 1676.12. Overall, the recent declines in May counter to a large degree April's monthly key reversal up. And so far today, a reactionary bullish move up over the dark blue middle time and looking like a bullish engulfing pattern right now.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.
Thank you.